Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use green screen in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, cinematic edits, gaming content, reaction videos, or visual effects, green screen editing lets you replace backgrounds and create professional-looking scenes easily. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import your green screen clip and the background footage or image you want to use. Now place the background layer below the green screen footage on the timeline. If the subject moves quickly, enable motion blur to make the green screen effect blend more smoothly. Once everything looks clean and realistic, preview the full composition carefully and export the final video. And that's basically how to use green screen in After Effects in 2026. With Keylight, spill suppression, and cinematic adjustments, you can create professional-looking background replacement effects directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.